Now, see here, this is the example or the question related with the common emitter transistor. Common emitter circuit has an input resistance of 0.6 ohm. That means Ri is equal to 0.6 into 10 raised to power 3 ohm. Output resistance R output we can take, that is only Ro is equal to 51.10 raised to power 3 ohm. If the current gain is 65, that means beta is equal to 65. What is the voltage gain? You know, we know voltage gain is equal to beta into resistance gain. We have done already this formula. So, we can write 65 into 51 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 0.6 into 10 raised to power 3, that is 5525. This is here the voltage gain. So, if you have got voltage gain, we can calculate power gain. Power gain is can be written, power gain is equal to this voltage gain into resistance gain or current gain we can say. So, voltage gain into current gain. So, that is here 5525 into current gain is 65 here. So, we can write 65. When we multiply this, we will be getting 3.6 into 10 raised to power 5 approximately. So, this is simply the formula based question where we can get the voltage gain, current gain and power gain.